Okay, we're going to look at a quick, easy way to record your video for the AP Computer Science Principles Create project using a built-in tool in Windows 11, the snipping tool. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get a different view so that your app screen's a little bit bigger. So to do that, you can come over here to Share, Copy Link to Project. All right, and then once you have that, you can go paste and go. Okay, and now you have a much larger view of your screen. Okay, I'm actually a little bit larger than I need to be, so I'm going to hold Control on my keyboard and push the minus key to zoom out just a smidge. Okay, and now I'm ready to rock and roll. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here, open up the snipping tool, and I will see a dialog box pop up. And by default, the snipping tool is set to a still image. That's what we'll use for our personalized project reference. But there is a video camera icon you can click, and then you can click New. You drag to select, and now you can click Start. And now you are recording and once you're done, you click Stop. It will ask you, it will take you to the saved area. You obviously want to do more than the 16 seconds I did. I was just clicking around. You want to show multiple inputs that generate multiple outputs, but once you have it how you want it, you can save it. If you decide you want to add captions later, you can. You can do the video trim right here. So let's say you go 1 minute, 5 seconds, you need to trim it down. You can click that trim and make it a little bit less or take out a part. So a lot of cool stuff right there. You can also edit in Clipchamp. That is built into Windows as well. So that would be a place where you could probably put some captions in if needed. But then you just want to make sure you know where you're saving it. So you save that video. By default, it's going to go to video screen recordings unless you have different settings. You could also just save it to documents, downloads, wherever you prefer. But you're going to just call it project. And by default, it's going to be an MP4. You save. And that is all there is to it. You now have a nice video of your app running without all the background noise that comes from a giant screenshot.